good morning, good morning. Ayan, so samahan niyo ako maglakad papunta sa aking trabaho. So, it was already 7:30 in the morning at ayun, naglalakad ako ng every 10 to 20 minutes pag umaga, no? So, it's my alternative exercise bago pumasok sa work, no? So, medyo health is wealth nowadays at dahil na mahalaga ang ating kalusugan, so palagi natin